Hi, my name's Peter Radcliffe. My company is Nexus Computers. I'm going to tell you about smart kiosks. Many years ago, the kiosk came around, and the problem was that you put an iPad in it or a Samsung tablet, and then this went in there, and you had a metal plate. The problem with this design is that all the way around the tablet, it traps bacteria. And in 2020, we have the coronavirus. So I looked at kiosks and said, how can we make it better? So what we did, we got rid of the metal front plate and we put in a 3mm tempered glass. So you've got a white clean finish and nowhere to trap bacteria. We've got an Android tablet in there that's got RJ45 PoE connectivity, so it's wireless as well as works into your network. I've been in this for 32 years and it's a product I've helped develop, and we are a lot cheaper than anybody else. We also do this sort of a tablet which is on a triangular base that flips over. We've got all the ports that you're going to need for connectivity. It's Wi-Fi, NFC, network enabled, RJ45, and that will flip over. Yeah. And that is ideal for the restaurant industry where we've got software we can place orders and drinks for it. And that's it very, very briefly. So if you want smart kiosks at the right money, saving you a lot of money and giving you excellent margins, because we only supply to trade, go to www.kiosks.tablets.co.uk and ask for me, Peter. Thank you for your time, thank you for your trouble, and have a great day. And thanks from the ISE 2020.